ESR protective case for the Apple iPad 9.7 2018 is in the building. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey YouTube, what's up? Punchy here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to have a look at the ESR case for the Apple iPad 9.7 2018. Let's go ahead and keep the iPad on the side for a moment. Pretty simple packaging from ESR over here. The color of the case is visible from the outside. On the back you have some details in different languages, and make sure you guys recycle the packaging if you throw it in the trash. Alright YouTube, this is your case outside the box. Foldable over here, transparent back, polycarbonate plasticky material over here. You have your cutouts and everything. Let's go ahead and slap this guy on to our iPad 9.7 2018. Alright YouTube, the tablet is inside the case now. You have PU leather on the front, ESR branding over here. Let's have a look at the bottom. The cutout for your lightning port lines up pretty good. The cutouts for the speaker grills also line up pretty good over here. On this side you have your volume rockers, very clicky. I don't see an issue with them. On top you have your power button, again very clicky and covered. I don't see an issue with that as well. You have your cutout for your noise cancelling mic on the top over here, lines up pretty good as well. The cutout for the headphone jack also lines up pretty well. And on this side you have nothing. On the back, again some ESR branding over here, transparent back. The cutout for the camera lines up pretty good as well, and the cutout for this mic lines up pretty good as well. As soon as you open the case, the screen will automatically wake up, and this material on the inside over here is soft, so no issues about scratching your screen or anything. And you have some more ESR branding on the inside as well. Do note, I have the Anchor tempered glass screen protector applied on my iPad, and I don't see any issues with the case interfering with the screen protector, so this case is definitely screen protector friendly. Another thing which you need to note about this case is that if you flip it over like so, this guy over here is magnetic. So if you're going to place your iPad on the table like this, you don't have to worry about it slipping over because you have magnets here at the bottom. So what's the bottom line with this ESR case for the Apple iPad 9.7 2018? Well, this case sells for 17 bucks on Amazon, is available in multiple colors, and for $17 I'm not complaining. Everything lines up pretty good. The screen wake and screen sleep functionality work pretty nice as well. So all in all, a good investment for your Apple iPad 9.7 2018. That's it for this video YouTube. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.